everyone, welcome once again to a new week of Thursday tarot card reading. And please ignore my nail paint, it just looks like so crooked. I just realized that, but anyways, let's focus on the reading. And like every week, there are three pack of cards kept in front labeled O, S, and R. And like all the weeks, this week again, you have to close your eyes, take a deep breath in, think about the intention that you want to create, whatever you want to manifest this particular week. And once you have thought about the intention for this week, you can gently open your eyes with a beautiful smile and look at the three pack of cards, whichever particular pack of cards you are feeling drawn towards, whether it is O, whether it is S, whether it is R, whichever pack of cards you are feeling connected with, just comment that particular pack of cards in the comment section below, and straight away you can forward this particular video to the timestamp mentioned in the description box against each of the pack of cards. So let's begin with the reading, but also I have something very important to announce, that a lot of you all have showed your interest in learning about numerology. So on that note, I have recently launched a very basic beginners self-help numerology course, which is very short, crisp, and it includes the basic ideas of numerology as to how you can use your date of birth to understand your potential, your strengths, and the areas that you should focus on simply by doing some basic calculations using your date of birth. You don't need to have any kind of advanced knowledge, or you don't have to have any kind of prior knowledge. Even if you are just a beginner and you have an interest in making your life better and taking important decisions in your life, trust me, this course is going to help you a lot. And it is priced so economical, it is so easy to afford, that anyone who is even slightest of curious to know a bit more about your date of birth can go for this course. So I have left the link as well in the description box below. Do consider joining this course, and trust me, you can take my words for that, this will be a life-changing course for you. Alright, so that's all about this course. Now straight away let's start the weekly tarot card reading. Hello, so if you have commented on the first pack of cards for yourself, which is O, this is the weekly guidance for you. The first message coming for you, which is the beginning opening message, is that this is the kind of week where you really need to explore your hidden potential and stop underestimating yourself. This is the kind of week where you should literally have a self-reflection, try to understand what you are capable of and how you can really unleash your brightest potential or your brightest strength in whatever area. Okay, it is also the kind of week where there will be ample amount of opportunities that will be getting offered to you by the universe, but you have to make sure that you act upon them. Okay, so that's the first message for you, that this can be literally a life-changing week for you in terms of building upon your self-confidence, your self-belief, and also maybe just starting with something new altogether, because that's the kind of message coming from the Ace of Pentacles as well. Moving on ahead to, let's see overall what other messages you are getting for this particular week. Well, I do see a beautiful card of celebration over here as well, and it also could mean that there seems to be some kind of success, some kind of celebration, some kind of good news that might call for a quick get together, for some kind of quick celebration. It could be to do with your career, or maybe at the relationship front, or just overall in your life, but there could be something that you have started and it will eventually come to a completion or close to a completion mode this particular week. So there can be some kind of gathering, some kind of trip as well, maybe some kind of travel plans that you will eventually end up looking forward to this particular week. Okay, but however, I also see that as far as health is concerned, let's see the kind of message. Wow, actually not wow, because that's the strength card coming for your health. It definitely means that you will also have a tendency to have some kind of narrow escape as far as health is concerned. So now that you are that now that you have the guidance of tarot cards in advance, make sure that if you are traveling anywhere, or if at all you are going from location A to location B, just don't be in a hurry. So something as basic as, suppose you're traveling somewhere and you have to catch a flight, make sure you leave well in advance and don't try to rush up at the last moment, because the health card is not very positive. It is positive, however it is not giving the kind of message that all is well. So it just tells the message that you need to take care of your health and avoid any kind of speed, any kind of quickness as far as your pace or as far as your energy is concerned. It is also the kind of card that is saying that it is all about this week, so just try to have some patience for health this particular week. And if something is not working out great, don't worry, it will take some time, but eventually it will heal. So all you need to do is focus on the optimistic side of life and focus on what is working out in your favor, and do not focus on what is not working out, because everything takes time. Okay, so that's the message for this particular week. And the affirmation that you need to affirm below in the comment box below is that I am optimistic. Okay, so comment this affirmation below, I am optimistic, and keep repeating this particular affirmation to yourself on a daily basis to really be optimistic. So on that note, I will now take a sign off from this particular session. And remember that I have left the link of the self-help numerology course as well in the description box below, so do consider joining that, and trust me, it will be a game changer for you altogether. So take care, see you soon again, bye bye. Hello. So if you have commented on the second pack of cards, that is S for yourself, this is the guidance coming for you. It looks like this is the kind of week where you will focus more on letting go and focusing more on what really matters to you in your life. Like this particular card over here, it's a very beautiful card, and it just shows that there is so much happening behind the scenes. However, you will intentionally maybe choose not to focus on what is not happening, and you will try to focus on what really matters to you, what really matters to your soul, or what really matters to you from a life's long-term vision. So that's the first message coming for you, that maybe you will intentionally choose to walk away from the drama, walk away from the tantrums, and focus on your inner wellness and your mental peace as well. Moving on ahead to further what else this week looks like. It looks like it's also going to be a week where you will intentionally focus to reward and relax yourself. Maybe take a break from your work, take a break from all the drama of relationships, and just try to slow down your pace. And instead of running for more and more, maybe you will try to focus on first enjoying the fruits and the results of what you already have. It could also be a trick and treat kind of week where you will just try to treat yourself with some good meals, some good dishes that you really have been craving for a long time, but maybe for some or the other reason you were just trying to push yourself. But remember, don't try to do overeating, because that can have an adverse impact on your health as well. So keep these things in your mind. It's also the kind of week where it can also call you for a lot of seva, service, donation, charity kind of activity. So if at all you get the platform to do a good gesture towards society and towards animals, also make sure that you grab that opportunity and do whatever it takes from your end to get some good karma. Moving on to your health, let's see what message is coming for your health. It's something very similar to this particular card over here. So I think it is also the kind of week where you need to focus a lot on your mental health, and it will only happen if you will stop interfering in other people's lives, or stop letting the drama of your life interfere in your own mental peace. So remember the sentence very, very clearly. Stop interfering in other people's lives, stop trying to solve their problems, and stop letting the drama, the problems of your life interfere in your own mental peace. Okay, because this is the kind of week where your mind, your emotions, your soul needs a break. They need some peaceful time, they need some alone me time kind of moment. So make sure you try to invest a lot of good quality time in mental peace, meditation, your wellness, your overall happiness, and that way your health also will be taken care of. And the affirmation for you for this week is that I am enough. Comment this below in the box, I am enough. And keep practicing this affirmation every day throughout this entire week to remind yourself of the intention, I am enough. Also, before I sign off, remember that there is a self-help numerology course which is priced extremely at an affordable price for every one of y'all. The link is mentioned in the description box below, so do consider clicking that link and signing up for the course. It's going to change your life completely, trust me. Okay, so all the best, take care, and I will see you soon again. Bye bye. Hello, so if you have commented on the third pack of cards for yourself, which is R, this is the guidance message for you for this particular week. It looks like there is a lot of there are a lot of signs of warning around you. Maybe there could be people around you who are trying to show you a path, but maybe you are intentionally trying to avoid all those feelings, all those guidance which is coming to you from other people. So make sure you pay equal due respect to all the people around you, your friends, your family, your caretakers, all those who really love you and care for you a lot. Try not to make any important decisions in your life without listening to the advice of elderly and experienced people. Okay, don't make any big quick last moment decisions without considering a second and a third opinion. However, remember that this is also the kind of week where luck will favor you a lot. So even if you ended up doing not the best decision, maybe luck might actually end up favoring you. Okay, but however, as a word of caution, don't make hasty decisions without consulting a senior or a more experienced person. That's the first guidance for you for this particular week. And one more guidance for you for this particular week is again something which is very very similar to this guidance coming over here, that just because a particular thing looks attractive or promising, don't fall in its trap. Okay, it might not be a trap. However, if you feel something is really lucrative and attractive and you feel drawn towards it, do consider signing up for it, do consider going for it, but take an advice of an expert before doing that. Okay, it is a little bit tricky kind of week. Luck will favor you. However, there seem to be a lot of people around you who are trying to help you, but you are maybe trying to overlook their help. Okay, this can be as far as your relationships are concerned, as far as maybe finances are concerned, as far as health is concerned, or even general life decisions. Okay, trust me, you are not alone this week. There are so many people around you who are trying to help you. So stop thinking that you are alone and start relying on other people as well. And as far as your health is concerned, let me see what is coming in the cards from the universe, what guidance the universe wants to give. All right, as far as your health is concerned, I think this is the kind of week where maybe you need to little bit focus on your digestive system and maybe a bit more towards the lower pelvic region or the stomach area also. So if at all suppose you have been doing a lot of extra eating or lot of sitting around kind of work and you haven't really got time for yourself to detox and take a break or sweat it out, make sure that this is the kind of week where you take the first step towards your health and do some kind of activity which helps you to work on your physical wellness as well. So that's the kind of message coming for you. Also make sure that you take good care of your shoulder and your back region, because there's a high chance that because of sitting in one place for long hours, you might actually end up having some kind of back or shoulder pain or something like that. So just make sure you invest time in some kind of physical workout, physical activity. And the affirmation for this week is that I am aware. So comment this affirmation below in the box, I am aware, and keep practicing this affirmation on a daily basis to remind yourself of the intention of the week, I am aware. Also, before I sign off, remember that I have dropped in the link of the self-help numerology course, which is extremely helpful simplified course on numerology for any beginner level kind of person who wants to understand how he or she can use the date of birth to your highest benefit. The link has been mentioned below. It is priced extremely at an affordable price, so do consider signing up for it. And if you have any questions, do feel free to reach out to me. via email. And yeah, all the best and have a beautiful week ahead. I will see you soon again. Take care. Namaste. Bye bye.